it facing?
Right there. What?
It's probably all.
Hey. Can you hear it? There's no coming from there.
Woo! Is it facing it?
Yep.
Woo!
Those ones. I love those ones. This is so cool.
Yeah!
Yeah, we should get our own fireworks stuff. We found some motorcycles. Or a dirt biker.
Ready? There's going to be more, I bet.
Hopefully. Oh, the light burns, burns, burns. Oh, I'm gonna die. Well, their house is pretty lit up.
Yeah, there's going to be more there, I bet.
I can hear more out from the distance.
No, they're coming from behind. There! Woo! Woo! Woo!
That has some good fireworks going.
I can't do it. How do you do it?
I don't know. You have to have your tongue in a perfect position though. Yeah, so doing the one with your fingers.
I can't do it.
Tongue in a perfect position.
Oh, guys, that was awesome. That was awesome.
Well, there might be more because the house is still lit up.
I'm sorry, guys, if you can't see me, but I'm right here if you can. Blocking out more of it. Get ready, guys. There's going to be more.
Yeah. Maybe that's all.
Wait. Woo!
Oh, I guess not.
Woo!
Yeah!
Woo!
Yeah! Oh, yeah! 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 This is great.
Okay, there might be more, guys. There might be more. They might be just setting up the fireworks. That's why.
Or they could have a lot, depending on how much.
Yeah, they might have some in a basket, so they're setting them up on the ground.
Well, all of them are on the ground, yeah.
No, they're probably in a basket that he takes out.
Well, most of the time you set them on the ground. Wait, Dad, where are we gonna put off the fireworks?
Dad, can we put them out right here? Right here?
Put them out in the back? Yeah. Well, we have to have them in an open area, Dale, or else.
No, right
we'll
there.
hit something. It's not an open area. Yeah. We can do them. Yeah.
Yeah, can we do it right beside the fence or something? No, let's do it right in the front yard so everyone can see.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I guess that's all.
That is. Whoa. See that light and how it's moving along with the other one? Yeah. Really? That's amazing. Yeah, see, they're all going off on the other side of the
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that. There's fireworks over there.
Yeah, watch.
See?
Oh yeah, that's uptown.
That's Indiana.
Yeah.
That's over at the
Park.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, let's go inside.
Because I heard
Getting bit up.
and I heard a coyote.
Yeah.
I just got final flood over.
That was amazing.
Okay, guys, we heard a coyote, so we're. Did you hear that coyote, Dad?
No, somebody's going. Oh. What?
Look at mosquitoes.
I know.
Yeah, right.
Even if we don't step in the grass, they're still gonna hit us. Hey Dad, make sure you try and buy some tomorrow night.
I'll see what.
That would be awesome. That was so cool, Mom. Yeah.
Okay, guys, that was just the fireworks we seen. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing those fireworks. And yeah, I'm uploading this. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys in my next video when we light some in our backyard tomorrow. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.